Did you know that 70% of companies who have embarked on their journey towards data analytics fail to harness the full potential of their data? Data that could lead to breakthrough decisions, cost savings, and exponential growth often sits idle or underutilized. But it doesn't have to be this way. Let's talk about these challenges that many organizations face. Data silos slowing down collaboration, an overwhelming flood of raw data with no clear insights, decisions being delayed or made on instincts and not facts. At DEVIT, we tackle these challenges head-on. Our services include 1. Data collection to consolidate your scattered information. 2. Data cleaning to eliminate errors and redundancies. 3. Data analysis to extract actionable insights. 4. Data visualization that turns raw numbers into easy-to-read dashboards. Imagine this. Instead of endless spreadsheets, you're looking at a dashboard that tells you exactly where to cut costs, what products are performing best, and which strategies are worth scaling up. Let us talk about a recent success story. A mid-sized retail company struggled with inventory management. Their data was all over the place, multiple systems, incomplete records, and no single source of timely insights. When they engaged DEVIT for their data analytics, our data experts consolidated their data, normalized the data, and created real-time dashboards. The new insights from the data now help the retailer to reduce their overstock by 20% and increase sales by 8% within months. Before we move on, and if you are already in the planning stage of your data analytics journey, we have a free data and analytics checklist. It covers everything from data collection to visualization, ensuring you don't overlook critical steps in your journey to data-driven decision-making. At DEVIT, we pride ourselves on combining expertise with the best tools, like Power BI and Tableau, to empower businesses like yours. Whether it's breaking down data silos or building dashboards that drive results, we deliver solutions tailored to your needs. Ready to transform your data into actionable insights? Book a free 30-minute consultation with our experts today. Let's start turning your data into insights that can power the decisions that matter for your business.